Cashing out on DraftKings involves withdrawing your winnings or funds from your DraftKings account. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log in, sign into your DraftKings account using your username and password. Navigate to account. Once logged in, navigate to your account or profile section. This is typically located in the top right corner of the DraftKings website or mobile app. Select withdrawal. Look for the option to withdraw funds or cash out. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. Choose withdrawal method. DraftKings usually offers several withdrawal methods such as PayPal, bank transfer, check, or other available payment options. Select your preferred withdrawal method. Enter withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your DraftKings account. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal requirements or withdrawal limits. Confirm withdrawal. Review your withdrawal details, including the withdrawal amount and selected payment method. Confirm the withdrawal to initiate the transfer of funds from your DraftKings account. Verify withdrawal. Depending on the withdrawal method chosen, you may need to verify your identity or provide additional information to complete the withdrawal process. Wait for processing. Allow some time for DraftKings to process your withdrawal request. The processing times may vary depending on the selected withdrawal method and any additional verification requirements. Receive funds. Once processed, you will receive your funds through the chosen withdrawal method. Funds may be transferred to your PayPal account, bank account, or emailed to you via check, depending on your selection.